Let's go ahead and replace our sway bar end link located right here behind our strut. Using our 22mm socket, we're going to go ahead, loosen, and remove our lug nuts. Remove the wheel and set it aside. Now we have our number 6 Allen wrench on the inside here. We're going to use our 17mm wrench, slide over this and get it onto the nut itself. Let's go ahead and loosen the nut here. You can see the ball right here with the dust boot or the cover. So if you were able to loosen that nut, go ahead and remove that. You would use your number 6 Allen key in the middle of the stud here and your 17mm wrench here to go ahead and loosen and separate this unit. We're just going to go ahead and cut this right off as we're replacing that unit. Now the one side ground off. Go ahead, pop that nut out, and go ahead and install our new link on the bottom. Go ahead and get the nut started on here. I'm going to use our 18mm thin wall wrench on the inside here. That'll hold that in place. And then we're going to go ahead and tighten down the nut on the other side. Let's go ahead and make sure that this is nice and snug. Remove the nut from your sway bar end link. I'm going to go ahead and get this lined up, work that in, and get the nut reinstalled. Let's go ahead and tighten down this nut. Let's go ahead and torque this down to 58 foot-pounds. Let's go ahead and install your wheel. Once that's on, install all of your lug nuts. We'll snug those down, and it will lower the vehicle and we'll torque all the lug nuts. Let's go ahead and torque our lug nuts down to 95 foot-pounds.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.